Hi children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about plant life. Okay children, let us listen.
Plant. We see many types of plants around us. Plants play a very important role in our day to day life. They are of various shapes and size. Some are big and some are small. Let us learn more about the parts of a plant. A plant has two main parts, the root system and the shoot system. There are two types of parts, the root system and the shoot system. The shoot grows above the ground. It has stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. The root is that part of a plant that usually grows below the ground. The shoot is grow above the ground. The root is that part of the plant that usually grows below the ground. First one, shoot system. This part of a plant is generally found above the ground. It includes the system of stem, leaves, flowers, and fruit. Shoot system. This is part of a plant is generally found above the ground. It includes the stem, leaves, flowers, and fruit. What are they? Flower, leaf, fruit, and stem. That is called a shoot system. Root system is that is roots only. Root system. There are two types of roots, top root and fibrous root. What are they? Top root and fibrous root. The top root consists of a large main thick root which grows from the end of the stem and tapers toward the end. It grows deep into the soil. Many small roots grow from the main root. For example, radish, carrot, beetroot, etc. Fibrous root. The next one is fibrous root. Fibrous root consists of many thin branched and thread like roots grow from the end of the stem. They grow near the surface of the soil and prevent soil. Plants like grass, wheat, rice, and onion have a fibrous root. Okay, the next one, functions of the root. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil which are used by the plant to make food. It holds the plant to the ground. Some plants store food in their roots. We eat the roots of such plants. For example, radish, carrot, beetroot, and turnip are actually roots. What are they? Some plants store food in their roots. We eat the roots of such plants. For example, radish, carrot, beetroot, and turnip or root. The next one, stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. It grows above the ground. Stem can be soft, weak, and hard or woody. Peepal, banyan, and neem trees have hard and strong stem which keep the trees upright. These stems are called trunks. Okay, these stems are called trunks. Money plant and pea plant have a soft and weak stem. What are they? Money plant and pea plant have a soft and weak stem. They need the support of other plants, walls or sticks to stand upright. Walls or sticks to stand upright. In pumpkin and watermelon stem are very weak and they grow along the ground because they have heavy fruits. Okay, in pumpkin and watermelon stem are very weak, very weak. Herbs such as mint and coriander have soft stem. What are they? Mint and coriander have a soft stem. Shrub such as dulce and rose have a soft bud woody stem. Soft, woody and stem. Okay, shrubs such as dulce and rose. Functions of the stem. It holds the plant upright and provides support to it. The stem has many tiny tubes inside it which carry water and minerals from the roots to other parts of the plant. It also distributes food made by leaves to another parts of the plant. We eat stem of some plants such as potato and ginger which grow underground and store food made by the plants. We also eat stem of sugarcane which grow above the ground. Leaf. The next one is leaf. The leaf is the most important part of the shoot. Most living plants have green leaves. They appear green because of the presence of which helps leaf make food for the plant. The leaf is the most important part of the shoot. Functions of the leaf. Green leaves make food for the plant. With the help of water, air and sunlight by a process called photosynthesis. Therefore, they are also called food factories for a plant. Food factories for a plant. Green leaves make food for a plant with the help of a water, air. The next one, flower. The flower is the most colorful and beautiful parts of a plant. The flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. Some flowers have a strong, sweet and pleasant smell. They also help the plant in reproduction. The young flower is called a buds. Functions of the flower. Flowers are used for making perfumes, for decorations and for workshop. Some flowers are used for making oils such as rose oil and jasmine oil. Some flowers are used for making oils such as rose oil and jasmine oil. Some plants store extra food in flowers which have eaten by us. For example, broccoli and cauliflower are actually flowers. Bees and insects get attracted to flowers and search from them with time. Okay, the next one, fruit. We eat fruits for many plants. Some fruits such as mangoes are fleshy and sweet, while fruits such as nuts are hard. Fruits such as lemon and orange are sour. Fruit such as mango and plum may have one seed, while some fruits such as apple and orange have a few seeds. Watermelons and papayas have many seeds. Fruits protect the seeds. Fruits protect the seeds. Okay, children. What are they? We eat fruits of many plants. Some fruits such as mangoes and fleshy. The next one, lemon and orange. The next one, mango, apple and orange, watermelon and papaya. Okay, they also have a many seeds. Fruits protect a seed. The next one, seed. Seeds are also of different shapes, colors and size. Some seeds like wheat, beans, then corn, gram, and rice are eatable and are called edible seeds. Okay, seeds are also of different shapes, okay, colors and size. Some seeds like wheat, beans, corn, and gram, rice are eatable and are called edible seeds The next one, oils, coconut and groundnut and sunflower seeds give us oil. Okay, coconut and groundnut and sunflower seeds give us oil. Cereals, rice, wheat, and are our stable food. Rice and wheat are and our stable food. Let us recall, a plant has two main parts, the root and the shoot. The root system and the shoot system. Roots are of two types. Okay, top root and fibrous root. Top root and fibrous root. Stem, leaf, flower, fruit and seeds are parts of the shoot. Okay, most new plants grow from a seed. Mostly new plants grow from a seed. Okay, a plant has two main parts. What are they? Root and shoot. Okay, root are of two types. What are they? Okay, the next one, terms to remember. Photosynthesis, the process by which green leaves make food for the plant with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Seeding, a baby plant. Seeding means what? A baby plant. Germination, the growth of a seed into a new plant. Germination, the growth of a seed into a new plant. Okay children, have you understood these lesson? Okay, we will see the next class. Thank you.